going to, as quietly as possible, hand out a bunch of puzzles. Do you want a 7x7?
What?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Do you want a skewb?
I would love a skewb, absolutely. I don't have one. Thank you.
Do either of you want a pyraminx? Do you want a pyraminx? Just for free?
Oh yeah.
Do you want a ghost cube?
Oh yeah, that'd be
A classic GAN puzzle? A gear cube? Do you want something?
Sure. They're getting me into this, so.
Do you want a free 6x6?
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We have to just ask, who are you to have all this Rubik's cubes?
Do you want a 7x7?
For free or?
Yeah.
Sure, I guess.
Okay. Does anyone want a 7x7? For free?
yes please.
There you go. It's all yours. I'm giving out some puzzles for free.
Nicholas, do you want a puzzle?
Yeah.
There you go.
Do you want a puzzle too, Patrick?
I'm picking one at random. I don't know what it's going to be.
What do you say? What puzzle?
This one is pyraminx.
I don't think.
There you go.
Can I keep this?
Yes, you get to keep it. Anybody want some free puzzles?
Free puzzle.
We're going to keep it quiet though because I don't want things to get crazy. I'm grabbing one at random. I'm just going to hand it around.
There's free puzzles.
I don't know. We'll see.
There's free puzzles.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Do you want a 10x10?
Whoa, is that a 10x10?
That's a 10x10.
That's a 10.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. There's so many over here already.
Most of them are his. These are the exact cube I have. These are the only two ones I have.
There we go. Do you want a 2x2?
2x2.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
I got the exact same cube.
It's a 7x7.
Thank you.
Do you want a 4x4?
Play for free?
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Thanks.
You want a 4x4?
Sure.
Okay. Do you want a 6x6?
Actually,
Yeah.
thank you.
Do you want one? Do you want one? A 2x2?
Why not?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want a 2x2 in a robot's body? For free? You can have it.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So you want a free pyraminx? Okay.
Wait, can I have a free?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just gonna grab stuff at random. I have a skewb. Do you want a skewb?
Oh, man. Cool.
Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's the occasion?
I have too many. Do you want a cube though?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Go. I'll leave something for your son here. I'm picking at random. I don't know what this is. 4x4.
Thank you so much.
Do you want a 5x5?
Keep it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want a 3x3?
Yeah.
Okay. It's yours. You're welcome. Want a 7x7?
Thank you.
Do you want a 7x7?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want a 3x3 for free?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
You're welcome. Do you want a skewb for free? Okay. Do you know how to solve a pyraminx?
Yes.
Do you want an extra pyraminx?
Really?
Just for free.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're
I'm
welcome.
just amazed. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.